In this video, I'll show you how to set up a preset keyboard for the Ishida Uni-3 scale. First thing you'll need to do is ensure you have a scale IP address for the Uni-3 setup in the setup utility program. So let's log in under scale setup. You're going to have this one here. I already have set up as a Uni-3. It's a bench model. I have an IP address. Try and check off enable comms log so you can do some troubleshooting if need be, and the rest of the stuff you can leave as default. We'll go OK. We'll close this, and then we'll open up the SLP-5 program, the blue one. We'll log in, and then here you'll notice on the left side you're going to have Uni-3 presets. So we can go new. It's going to be a bench model we have. We'll go OK. And then we can start assigning PLUs to these preset keys. So I can double click. I can select a PLU from my list here. I can give it some color. Let's give it orange here. And if I want a lower key set as a PLU, set PLU 2. Give it, so I have to split the key and then give it another color. Let's say blue. You can draw a line. If the PLU name is too long, we'd have to edit this to accommodate for the size. So if I put too much text in there, it will get crushed up. So I'll just make sure you accommodate for that. Once that's done, we click on save. You only see PLU 1 here because I'm on the upper key. If I go down to lower key, you'll see what's programmed on the lower key. If I go key sheet template, you'll see it there, the two colors. Now if I wanted to print this out, I click on the print setup page. Make sure you choose the right printer. Change the properties, make sure you're in landscape printing and under your page setup, and also use legal size paper because regular letter size will not fit this keyboard. And finally you just click the print button. So next, if sometimes you want to color code your keyboard, so if I just add a color here to make it quick, let's say I want it all yellow, you can actually take this, instead of double click on each square, you can take it, press Control on your keyboard, click and drag, and then you start coloring your keyboard to make it a little bit easier. So you can identify certain PLUs, and then we'll just color away. That type of idea. Now, in order, if you do have, if you're using both functions, lower and upper, on the keyboard preset, you're gonna have to program a function to toggle the lower preset. So we'll click over here, we'll double click, and there's a function called lower preset. We just press L a few times until we find it, and there it is. So lower preset, we can just give it a name. Let's say lower. Put a color. We'll click on save. So in order, when this gets sent down by clicking the save button, if your scale is connected, it'll go down. And to utilize the lower function, you press on the lower button you created, and then touch the second PLU that's on that button, and it'll come up onto the scale. If for whatever reason you don't have the lower preset function in this list, you're going to have to go back into the setup utility under preset keys. Under the Uni-3, you're going to find the value of it. It's actually value 156. If for whatever reason it's set to false, so not enabled, you're going to have to enable it in order for the function to be used. So OK, OK. And then whenever you do changes in setup utility, you'd always have to come back here and refresh your setup data so all those changes are reflected. We'll just say yes. And that's how you program your preset keys on Uni-3.